Hey friends, Domino here.
And Jett too.
Today we're going to test the pH of different brands of water.
What's pH?
pH measures how healthy your water is. The range goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being in the middle. The closer we get to 0, the more acidic and not healthy the water is. The closer we get to 14, the more basic or alkaline the water is. This is not healthy too. And the closer we get to 7, the more neutral the water is. Experts say the healthiest pH levels are in the middle 6.5 to 8.5 range. So, if your water's pH color is in this range, those would be the healthiest to drink. Have fun!
Okay, so we're going to see which one is most acidic or which is most alkaline. And the waters we're using are Ethos, Dasani, Deer Park, Life Water, Fiji, Smart Water, Essentina, Evian, and regular Smart Water, and tap water. And we're going to test these using this pH tester. So let's put 3 drops in each one. Oh, this Ethos is yellow.
I want it to turn blue.
The Dasani's turning blue. It looks like it's turning green or yellow, or greenish yellow. It's turning yellow.
Uh-oh.
Looks like it's yellow.
It's turning green.
No, it's green. This is our first green one.
That blue is my favorite color because I'm glad that it turned blue.
Another blue one. It's light blue. So let me do Smart Water. Ooh. One, two.
Oh, it's turning green.
Is the Essentia like it too? Oh, it's blue too. The same color. Okay, now for the Evian. 1, 2, 3. It's blue. It's teal. It's like a tealish color. Now for the regular Smart Water. So it looks like the Smart Water 9 plus pH is better than the regular Smart Water, as to be expected. And last but not least, the tap water that comes out of the faucet. 3. So we line them up from the most acidic to the most alkaline. Okay, so here's what we got. Ethos is the most acidic.
Ew.
The regular Smart Water and Fiji are kind of neutral. This Essentia and Smart Water 9 Plus is the most alkaline. Jett, which one would you want to drink? The Fiji?
Yes.
I don't think so. I would drink Smart Water 9 Plus.
That was cool, guys. Hope you have fun.
Until next time.